Welcome to my weekly Fabricate Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Today's video is all about paper crafting. I'm here to share how easy it is to make a 3D project. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial, and I would love to see you shop with me. Check out this super cute little box. It's a fold flat box, and it has a really unique bottom. So cute. It's so tiny. It is 1.5 inches square. There is people walking around my neighborhood, so if you hear screaming and carrying on, it's just because people are going insane during quarantine. All right, so this is what I did. This is 8.5 by 11 inch cardstock. I cut at 6.5 here and then cut down at 4.25. So I have two pieces that could make the box. Then I was able to get another square out or rectangle out of it, and this is 6.5 by 4.25. So I still have this left over, so I can make 3 boxes just exactly like this out of one sheet of cardstock. So that's pretty awesome. I'm going to share with you how to do it. So on the long side, the 6.5 inch side, I'm going to score at 1.5, 3, 4.5, and 6. I'm going to flip it round. I've got 3 3/4 of an inch. 2.25. and 3 3/4. All right, so there is a thicker side and a thinner side. This thinner side here is going to be the top of the box, and the thicker side is going to be the bottom of the box. We're going to cut away this little piece right here. And then this whole piece. All right, for the bottom, we're just going to cut up, and we're not wedging. And for the top, we are just cutting down. All right, so I got to figure this out. So if this is the back of the box, this will be the side, this will be the front of the box, and this will be the side. So I'm folding down the sides, and I will cut off the whole thing there. Boop. And then I'm going to cut in half here and cut in half here. Let's see if I can't make it more even. There we go. All right, we will wedge out these parts. And I'm going to wedge out that lid. I'm going to put adhesive on the bottom. Sorry, adhesive on this little section here. And close it up. All right, so since I want my front flap and my back flap to be the one that has adhesives on it, I will put those adhesives on now. All right, so I'm going to close my little box. to square up the ends. Then I'm going to fold in the bottom tightly. I'm going to open the box and press down. All right, that is the box made. I have 5 pieces of cardstock. This happens to be the Painted Poppies Designer Series paper. And they are sized, I think 1 3/8. I forgot to write it down. 1 3/8 square each. Yep. All right, so I figured out where my opening was, so it's there. So now I just have to adhere all the little pieces. And as you can see, just for saving time, I've put adhesive, dry adhesive already on the box. So cute. And the cardstock I'm using, the colored cardstock I'm using is Rich Razzleberry, which is one of the coordinating colors of that Designer Series paper. Awesome. All right, so one last thing. I'm going to use this sentiment, and I got this little sentiment from the download, the Share Sunshine PDF download from Stampin' Up. And we are donating 100% of the proceeds to COVID-19. I'll put the link in the description bar below if you would like to see. This is what I've done with mine. It's 15 pages, so these are all the sentiments. And I've cut some of them, and I've put some of them, you know, so it's just an easy way to quickly put a card together. This says, "Miss you. Hope that by staying home, more things can change than my pajamas." Sending paper, love and hugs. There's, oh, have another quarantini. It's like a normal martini, but you drink it at home alone. There's one that says, "I totally share my toilet paper with you." Cute. And this is just normal Whisper White paper. I have run other cardstocks through my printer before, and it's never been a good scene, except Stampin' Up! Whisper White regular cardstock really does go through the printer very well. I've cut some of these. So I've had, I was working, and this is what I did. And I just thought it was a really neat way of putting some of my sentiments so that I can just grab them. And I have something handy for my little box. So this one says, "Hey, what you doing?" And I thought I would just cut this one down. So I miss you. How's that? Right there. And I'll even put it on a piece of cardstock. I think that's a little small for my dry adhesive, so I'll just use glue. I really like the fact that we can use this as, or like you get like 3 little boxes like this out of 1 sheet of cardstock. So this is like a 1-sheet wonder for 3D. It's a 3D 1-sheet wonder, which I think is awesome. If there's anything that I like to do is stretch my supplies. All right, I will get a little bit of, oh yeah, I even have just the tiniest amount of dimensional here. So let's see, right on. So you can go put Ferrero Rocher in this little tiny box, and then give it to someone that you are not seeing. Tell them that you miss them, and it's a way of sharing some joy. Thought those were super cute. Anyway, thank you so very much for watching. I'll catch you again soon. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.